Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pek ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian bagayeng bishar jong ka Supreme Court kalapan mi ya ka hukum baga jalam Meghalaya kan yolat banti bat ban shalan yau doyong da ka bayat kat kum gi kendon ain ka sarkar jala kalapatha ya katnat mining and geology bakan pen kre no marmar ya ka mining plan khnang ban pen state ya ka ni jingmu jong ka sarkar usambot menteri rangba ka jalau ba preston tensong ha ka jing kren bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka khat artrik bunai naitung arajar khat khandai ulaya thu ba haduk menta katnat mining and geology kadang pen kre syachat ban shnaya ka mining plan khnang bagi paj ba nong snong ka jala kin yolat ban sedang biang ya ka khi ka kamai jongki lengba ka kamti doyong.
Government ultimately has pleaded the Honorable Supreme Court because all the experts they ultimately said that it is beyond the possibility. So once it is beyond the possibility, what happened was from the state government, we filed a affidavit to the Honorable Supreme Court, where ultimately Honorable Supreme Court understand this reality, this fact. So we are so happy that the Honorable Supreme Court ultimately agreed to the proposal or agreed to the affidavit filed by the state government. Now, right now, the department is working out, mining and geology, they are working out, okay, and still they're working out how to, how to go aggressively with the preparation of mining plan. Because the mining plan here, as I already said to you, because our land tenure system is such that I own myself, you own the land and all, and then those miners, those landowners by themselves, they wanted to have their, the coal mining started, okay, to have the coal mining started immediately. But that can be done only when all the details mining plan is completed and then sent by the state government to the concerned authority in there.